Hey gang, it's Matt the Old Florida Boy. Welcome back from my extended illness, and the rumors of my demise have been greatly exaggerated. Today it's time for another Canteen Cup Tuesday, the return edition, and I'm out here at Sebastian River State Park, and look who I got with me, our old buddy Trailblazer Tim. We're gonna take a little hike and we're gonna go down and cook some lunch. And I'm gonna show you, I got on my Ranger vest today because it's a little cool out here. So I'm gonna see how this thing works and see how it rides. And I will give you a report when we get to the camp. Okay, so here we are at the camp. First time I've had the Ranger vest out. And it's, you know, it's a little cool this morning, not very cool, but I do got a short sleeve shirt on and short pants, but this is just right for just another layer over your chest, and it's actually pretty comfortable. You know, I was carrying a couple of shoulder rigs and shoulder packs coming down here, and it's pretty comfortable. It's got some nice pockets and stuff, you know, for your hands to keep them warm, and you know, it's got all of these pockets up here and for stuff. I think this is going to be a keeper. Definitely going to do another video on it, and I'm going to pack it out, and you know, I'll show you how it works for like a day system. But right now it's getting on toward about 11 o'clock and I'm getting hungry, so we're going to do some lunch. Nice healthy edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday, so let's get rolling. Okay, on the menu today, and I got my ultralight deployment bag. So on the menu today we have some Uncle Ben's ready rice roasted chicken flavored with carrots and herbs. Oh, this is great. And Uncle Ben's is really cool. And you know how you cook this is you just like tear it open and stick it in a microwave for 90 seconds, or you can skillet cook it. But anything that you can stick in the microwave and be cooked in 90 seconds is already cooked. So all I gotta do is heat that up. To that, we are gonna add a nice can of bumblebee chicken breasts, okay? And also, we're gonna cut up and saute up some nice carrots that I brought along, because, you know, that's fiber, and Doc says I gotta have fiber. He didn't say nothing about drinking, but he says I gotta have fiber. So we're gonna cut them up and add them, and we're gonna cook it in the Canteen Cup. We're gonna use our Canteen Cup lid as a cutting board. So that's gonna be interesting. So let's get this started.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and move along. Come on. Said babe. I said babe. Oh honey, come and move along. You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along. You gotta feel it.
Woohoo! Wow. Our carrots are really sauteing up. And this may look a little bit bland, but it's supposed to be that way, man. I just got out of the hospital with a major thing. But I'm sure that it will work up rather nicely. Okay, looks like our carrots are softening up rather nicely. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna cut this off, put that aside, and I'm not even gonna drain this because we got the Uncle Ben's. I am just gonna add the Uncle Ben's directly to the rice. Uh-oh, there's a lot of Uncle Ben's in there. And what I'm gonna do is just gonna toss this up like a salad. You know about tossed salad? I don't want to toss no one salad. I don't want to toss no one salad. So now we're gonna add just a little bit of the bumblebee chicken. And what we're gonna do is, I need to cook this down a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken juice in there. All right, drain the rest of it. All right, that's drained. Now we're gonna put the chicken in here. Oh, man, this looks great. Tim, I don't know what you got, but this is better. All right, now what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of water. See if we can cook this baby down. Bing, bang, boom. Come on. Back on. We're gonna put our lid on and we're gonna let that cook. And man, this is gonna be good. All right, let's see how we're doing. We're starting to boil up. Oh man, that smells good. Da da da. We got some carrots, make the doc happy. Chicken, some nice roasted chicken rice. No, hot dogs or no Vienna sausage. I can't do those anymore. I could, but I really don't want to go back to the hospital. So this is all about healthy Canteen Cup cooking, and I'm pretty sure we can accomplish it.
More interesting in seeing something.
Yeah, this has got to cook down. This is cooking down pretty nice. The rice is getting nice and tender, and you know it's really, the Uncle Ben's is really already cooked. It's not like minute rice or nothing. And I just put a little bit of water and a little bit of chicken juice in there. It's really hot. Get pretty tender. It's almost done, but we're gonna let it go for another few minutes, and then we're ready to roll. Okay. Ooh, man, this is almost ready. This rice is cooking down really nice. Almost absorbed all of that chicken juice and water. The carrots are nice and tender. The chicken's in there, nice and shredding up. Oh, this is just gonna be great. So, in about another minute, we're gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna fix it up. All right, we're off of the fire. This has been sitting here, kind of steeping a little bit for a few minutes. Whew, man, wow, this made a lot too. One of those packages of Uncle Ben's works out really, really nice. Whew, man, this is smoking. But you know what would make it even better? A little Cristal hot sauce. This is Cristal because I didn't have room in the pack to bring the whole thing, so I just got to get a drop in there. You know, just a little bit. Whoo, I can smell that too. Look at that. Holy
Chain
cow.
smoking.
This is chain smoking. Whew. All right, now time for the taste test. I better have some water close by. Could be hot. It's gonna be good though. All right, here we go. Got some chicken and some rice. Whew. Man, that looks good. Man, it's so temperature hot. Whew. Oh man, but the hot sauce, man, I gotta mix this up. Hot sauce really spices this up. Remember, Doc said no popcorn, no nuts, no seeds, no nothing. He didn't say anything about hot sauce. So I'm gonna take that as a yes. Oh, we're gonna get a little more. Man, it's hot. Uncle Ben's roasted chicken rice with a little can of chicken of the sea chicken. You know, you could put tuna if you had regular rice. Tuna would be good in this too. And some carrots. You know, if you could bring some celery or something, that would be good too. Oh man, that's great. But here we go. Roasted chicken and rice with carrots. I don't know what I'm going to call this, but I damn sure know that we're going to call this Canteen Cup Tuesday. So, look forward to a lot more Canteen Cup Tuesdays to come. I'm over my thing in the hospital about 6 weeks ago. That was pretty tough, but now that I'm better, I feel better than I have in 10 years. So I'm ready to rock and roll. Trailblazer Tim's ready to do some hiking with me. The weather's getting nice, and we're going to try to see if we can do an overnight here pretty soon, which should be pretty good. But here we go from Sebastian River State Park at the Pine Camp. I'm Matt, the old Florida boy, here with Trailblazer Tim with another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday, and I will see you on the trail.